What's up, guys? I'm at it again, and look what we found. Dang, we got a lot of these, man. Right off the bat, we have this beautiful Nissan Skyline GTR, and here we have DK's Nissan 350Z. Man, this thing is sweet. And we have 1993 Mazda RX-7. So I'm definitely taking these three right here, guys. These three here are fire, man. Let's see what they have on this side. Here's another Toyota Supra. It is cool and all, but it's definitely not as cool as that one. So I'm gonna pass on this one, taking these three. Let's see what else they have over here. It's pretty much the same. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? Let's see what they have in store for us today. Nice. They stocked up on some new Hot Wheels. So let's start up here and let's see what we're working with. Each case. So to start off, we have this beautiful 2017 Ford GT in a beautiful royal blue with a black racing stripes on top. 94 Bugatti. Nice. Oh, nice. Check this out. Automobili Pininfarina Battista. Nice. Here's a fast gassing. Put this up here for now. Here's the color variation of the tuned classic TV series Batmobile. And here's another color variation of the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Here's the Tesla Roadster. Here's this cool VW Baja Bug. And here's the Bully Goat Nissan Skyline. Beautiful. Nice. Check this out, guys. The custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. Unfortunately, it's not the Super, but overall, it's still a cool casting. And here's another Ford GT. And here's a 67 Ford GT40. Nice. Here's the GT Scorcher. And here's the Audi RS e-tron. Here's the cool Subaru WRX STI. Nice. Oh man, this case is loaded with goodies, man. This is the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Oricon Coupe. Beautiful. Oh, nice. This is new for 2022. This is a 1986 Toyota van. Here's a color variation of the Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. Here's another Subaru. Here's the 2020 Jaguar F-Type. Here's another Ford GT. Nice. Here's a McLaren F1 GTR. And here is the Velociracer. See me rolling. Bully Goat. See me rolling. This is the Breaking Speed. Here we have the Track Ripper. Here's another 1986 Toyota van. Scorcher. Tesla Roadster. Bully Goat. Ford GT. Breaking Speed. Here's a Mod Rod. Let's come over here. Here's a color variation of the Coupe Clip. Now we have it in red. This looks pretty cool. Here we have this cool Toyota Nissan Skyline 2000 GT. Nice. 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Oh, cool. Here's the 1947 Chevy Fleetline with the Moon Ice decals. Oh man, this car is beautiful. See me rolling. Here's another Pontiac Firebird. Here's a custom small block. Here's another Subi. Baja Bug. Here's the Range Rover Classic. I like the deco and everything. I just don't like the wheels, so I'm gonna pass on this one. There's another Subi 4GT track manga, Ford Mustang Mach E 1400, the Blade Raider, Breaking Speed. This one's pretty cool, the Shelby Cobra 427 SC with the Hot Wheels Race Team livery. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Bully Goat. Let's see. Tooligan. Custom small block. Here's a Sweet Driver. BMW. Here's a Sweet Driver. And this is new for 2022. This is the BMW R Nanette Racer. I hope I'm saying that right. Another Baja Bug. Here's an Audi. Fast Fish. Rocket Box. Here's a color variation of the local motoring. Here's another Nissan Skyline. Here's a color variation of the 2021 Ford Bronco. Track Ripper. Classic TV series Batmobile. Check this out, guys. Now we have the color variation of the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And that's another 86 Toyota van over there. And let me take a quick look over here, guys. Let's see, guys. So yeah, pretty much the same here. Oh, this one's cool. This is also new for 2022. This is the 1995 Jeep Cherokee in a nice forest green. This is cool. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Tesla Roadster. 2020 Jeep Gladiator. GT Scorcher. And here's the hard to pronounce car, guys. That's how I'm gonna call it. Let's see. Shift these over. Blade Runner, Shelby, McLaren GTR, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and here's another Toyota Tacoma. Definitely gonna pick this one up. These are very hard to find and extremely popular. So let's see what else they have. Nothing new on the 5-packs. They did not put any of the premiums, so let's move it along. Monster trucks. And that is pretty much it, guys. So not bad. We scored some goodies, so let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? I'm here at my local disappointment. Let's see what we can find today. We have some of these haulers. Got what I wanted out of this set, which was this Nissan Silvia. Let's see, we have these rigs. Matchbox. I already picked this one up a while back ago. I have working rigs. Let's see. I already picked this guy up. Very nice set. Stay in here. It says, look for the Hendrix.com chase piece. All right. So, here's a truck. You guys know that I collect the trucks, so I'm gonna take this one. And here's another one. Cool. Looks like they have some more over here. Shift them around. So let's take a look over here. All right, it's supposed to be the Chase, but this is the regular one. Let's see. Take a look. So here's a Dr. Pepper. I believe this was the liquid chase for the previous wave, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see here. We have a few more over here. No freaking way. No freaking way. Check this out, guys. Here's a liquid color chase piece. Beautiful. Definitely gonna pick this one up. This is my very first NASCAR chase. So let's see if we can find the other one. Oh, here it is. Alright guys, so here's the difference. So you can see this one has kind of like a spectral flame color. This is regular. So nice score. And it looks like that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.